Okay, well, we just got here. The guy I'm meeting, I don't think is here yet. I didn't see his pickup, but let's get out and see what's wrong. Yep, that could be a problem. There should be a belt on that. Probably that belt that's back there. Huh. Whoops, well, that's not cool. Let me grab some tools, see if we can't fix this real quick. Now that it's really, really hot. Okay. AC's on, it's on cold. Oh yeah. Changed idle. It's doing things now. Oh, it already feels colder too. So that's cool. We got the canopy unloaded. Got that all done. So I guess now we will hit the road again, head to Pool and Save. I think that's like 30 minutes away or something. So we'll go there, see if we can't find anything we don't need, and probably leave not too long after that because it's already getting stupid hot out. And I don't like the heat. So let's see how today goes. I do love how well this thing cruises. It could use some help in the steering department, but we got the cruise set at about 73. AFR's looking good, no boost right now. We got the AC blasting now that it works, and by blasting I mean it's only on 2, and I'm already getting numb because it's so cold. But yeah, I do love how well this thing just cruises. It is a lot of fun. I don't know why more people don't have them, but we're almost to Pull and Save, so we'll check in with you then. Guess I can probably take this stupid mask off. I had to put it on to enter the building and pay and everything, but we're here. See what we can't find. Randall gave me a couple things to look for. I might go wander through all this imports, see if I can't find any Toyota stuff, but it's already getting hot, so I think we're just gonna head down to like the GM section and see what's there. Got a race van here. It says it's an 05. Must have been a 6-liter. No, I think the VIN said it was a 4.8, but either way, it's gone. Well, somebody definitely had their fun with this one. Blown up tire, blown up bedside, all the rubber. Back window's pretty cool. Different seats out of I don't know what. Sweet cup holder. I'd originally come up here wanting to take these coil springs off so I could put them on mine to lift it back up, and then do drop spindles to get it right where I want it. But I've since changed my mind and it's way too hot out here. So we'll just keep walking around looking for easy stuff. Okay, so I don't know if anybody else has noticed this, but there's a Volkswagen here, or there's a lot of them here, but it's been sitting here I don't know how long. With the door open, I don't know how long. Yep. Still smells like crayons. They all smell like crayons. All Volkswagens around this year smell like crayons on the inside. Tell me I'm wrong, but it's something I've noticed. Oh yeah. Them are some good welds. Well, we're back in the pickup. It's really hot out there. I didn't find anything I needed. Didn't find anything for Randall. He wanted a driver's door in pewter or a passenger fog light. Found neither. I found doors, but they weren't any good, not worth pulling. There just wasn't any fog lights. No Toyotas that I need. There was 0 older pickups and 400s, which is amazing to me. There was the coil springs I wanted, but I really just don't have the motivation to pull those, not when it's this hot out. I actually haven't looked to see, but I would guess it's 90s already. So I'm sitting in the pickup with the AC on, and I think I'm just gonna head for home. There's another Pull and Save up here, but when I looked at the vehicle list, they didn't have anything I really needed, so don't really see see a point in going there. So we'll just make our way home, fill it up, see what kind of fuel mileage we get. We're sitting at just above half a tank right now, so we'll see if we make it home. I don't know, but yeah, just stay tuned. It's gonna be pretty boring the rest of the video, but we'll check in with you when I get home. Home. It is it's now 5:30 because we kind of got distracted. Stopped in Moscow, went and talked to Randall a little bit, watched him work on his pickup and stuff. Dropped my eggs. That's what that noise was my eggs trying to fall. Anyways, that's fixed now. Okay, anyways, it's now 5:30, but overall I think the pickup did really well. I didn't find anything at pull and saves. It was a pretty boring day, pretty uneventful day, just a lot of driving, which was nice. I've never driven the pickup on a trip like that, so it was nice to finally do that and see what it did, and it actually did really well. Had I would say zero hiccups. AC belt came off for I don't know what reason. It's back on, hasn't come off since. AC's back to being ice cold again. So I guess the other thing was this went dead early on into the trip. This is my Bluetooth, so I had to try and listen to the radio, which kind of works okay. I don't have an antenna, whatever. I reset the GPS though before leaving, zeroed it all out, then came back and filled up at the exact same GPS or the exact same gas station that I did before I left town. Used 21.95 gallons of fuel. We went 286 miles on it, which worked out to be 13.03 miles a gallon, which isn't terrible. I mean, it's not quite as good as the Tacoma there. It does like 17-ish on the highway, which is pretty good. Grandpa does about 13, so it's pretty comparable to that. So that works, I guess, for me. I'm curious what the Supercharger would do on Grandpa, because I'm thinking it would kind of maybe help it, because Grandpa seems to downshift a lot into like second and stuff on hills, where this was overdrive the entire time. It'd have some boost, you know, to help it along, but other than that, it was overdrive the entire time, which is nice. So we'll see. I need to get going, get some turbos for this, get Supercharger on Grandpa, see what happens. So other than that, pretty uneventful day, pretty uneventful video, but thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had a great time. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later. Idaho Man out.